The Beijing 2022 Olympic Winter Games is currently underway. Due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, preparations for Beijing 2022 have been extremely difficult but received positive feedback from experts in various countries.
It's a great feat, and a commendable job that China is doing at the moment, because with the pandemic on, bringing in so many people into Beijing and, taking care, all the precautions, and keeping all the athletes, making sure that all the athletes are healthy during this pandemic is a great job in itself.
Өндөрлөгтний эвний эдлийн бэлэгдэл спорт их цэнгэл наадам маш амжилттай зохион байгуулагдаж байна. Тэгэхээр энэ удаагийн өвлийн олимп бол олимпийн наадмыг хүндрэлтний эвний эдлийн бэлэгдэл болох энэ үзэл санаанд хамгийн их ойртож очсон маш өндөр зохион байгуулалттай ийм сайхан олимпийн үлгэр жишээ олимпийн наадам болж байна гэж судлаачид үзэж байна.
China has presented a great game to the world. The Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Game is the symbol of world peace, friendship, unity, harmony, and cooperation among the nations, regardless their political system, religion, and race. The Beijing Olympic Winter Game has created a new chapter in the history of international sport.